This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the work zone and taping trim. This saves touch-ups later. Once masked, stir the Dulux paint for 2 to 3 minutes to reincorporate pigments and solvents, and strain if you see debris. Load a 2-inch brush for cutting in around trim and corners, then switch to a 9-inch roller with a 3/8-inch nap for the main surface. Apply a thin, even first coat and maintain a wet edge so overlap blends smoothly as you go. Once the first coat is dry to the touch, check the can for Dulux's recommended recoat window, usually 2 to 4 hours, and wait accordingly. This prevents sagging or adhesion problems. If you notice grit or raised texture, sand lightly with 220 grit and remove dust with a tack cloth so the next coat lays flat. Load the roller evenly and apply the second coat using consistent vertical passes. Then cross-roll horizontally to even out texture and sheen, producing uniform color and full coverage. Finish by inspecting edges and small imperfections. Remove masking tape at a 45-degree angle while paint is tacky to avoid pulling cured film. Clean brushes and rollers immediately using warm soapy water for water-based Dulux or the recommended solvent for special finishes, and store leftover paint airtight for touch-ups. If you find thin spots or staining, spot sand, apply a small amount of primer where needed. Then feather in a touch-up coat. This fixes issues without repainting the entire wall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.